In English, there are lots of words and their pronunciation is really similar, but their meaning is different. And from one of these example is the word then and then, THEN and THAN. We use these words oftenly at any time because they sound similar, but they have different meaning. So here is a simple way to remember the correct usage of word THE and then and THA and then. So hello friends, we are back with some interesting topic. I am Abed, you are watching Shiksha Digital, and today we are going to learn the proper usage of THE and then and THA and then. The word then is used for time. When we are talking about time or period, we are going to use the word then. Let's see some example. I ate a burger, then went to bed. Take a deep breath and then relax. She wasn't dancing with him. Here, both the three examples are talking about time, and the word then is used. Now use of then, THAN. When you are comparing two or more things with each other, then you are using the word then. In simple word, we can say that the then is used for comparison. Let's have some example. She is much heavier than him. Here we are comparing a girl and a boy, that a girl is heavier than a boy. Action speaks louder than word. Here also we are comparing the action and the word. Like by saying only you can't achieve anything, you should work for it. Then only you can achieve it. So after what I also think that so after watching this video, you should practice some more example. Then you will be mastery in this. By the way, I think you will not need it because I have explained it in crystal clear. Tom liked tea better than coffee. Here also we are comparing two products, that is tea and coffee. Here the Tom likes tea better than coffee. So guys, now I hope that you have properly understood the correct usage of then and then. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can write it down in comment box. Also for more videos, please subscribe my channel Shiksha Digital and also set that bell icon on also that you will get the notification of my videos first. Thank you.